So, speaking about my experience with EIA, that is Education in Action, to sum it up in one word, it was absolutely brilliant. Because the way that sir, approached each and every topic, it was so unbelievably outside of the scope of any textbook that we had seen, where we were connecting one topic with the next so seamlessly, where they flowed in with each other. And instead of just having the rote learning, it was genuinely one of the most interesting and fun ways of spending one's weekend. So we covered just about every single topic that you could possibly imagine that we could cover in the span of this the course of this workshop. And I have to say that one thing that I will appreciate about sir is the fact that he pushed us to keep discovering new things, to keep asking questions and always seeking answers, and never limited us in any way to one discipline or one study or one particular part of the portion or textbook or anything of the sort. It was just sort of limitless, boundless learning, and it was an unbelievable amount of fun, because you get to interact and you get to do it with other people, and you learn so many skills along the way. It's not only the knowledge which you learn along the way, but we learn how to innovate, we learn how to present, we learn how to create, we learn how to think differently about life, about leadership, and obviously about how we learn. So I would definitely recommend this to everyone out there, because it was absolutely worth it.
Right, so I attended 2 EIA programs in 2020. So one as a small summer program in June, and a couple months after, like a weekly session. So both the programs I was expecting to be very similar content-wise, but to my surprise, each session was totally different when compared to the original one, which kept things very interesting and engaging. Right, so in both sessions, in both programs, we had modules, very interesting modules, and we discussed topics which we don't generally discuss in school or in day-to-day conversation, and it just kind of made me realize how little I actually know of this world. And yes, I would totally recommend this program to anyone who's willing to go out beyond their textbooks and has a genuine passion for learning. I had a lot of fun attending this program, and I can guarantee you learn a lot by just going through a few sessions.
Hello, I am Aru Rana, and the only thing that I can say about Education in Action is that it was a brilliant program. I really enjoyed it. This new concept of studying with the help of technology is really amazing. I learned a lot through the different modules. And the best part was at the end we were made to deliver a PPT, and this new way of testing students with presentations, it's really cool. So I really like the program, and I look forward to doing other modules.
Very recently I attended a program by One Young Media, and I thought it was absolutely amazing. The way technology was used to deliver so many different concepts and ideas was something that was very new to me, and also something that I found very, very interesting. Also, one very fresh perspective that One Young India has inculcated within me is that of diversifying and of doing your own research and having your own opinions. And I think this one thing is something that I would like to implement in my own life, so that I can have a much more holistic and global perspective of what is happening around me, and or even something that is happening on the other side of the world. So thank you, Swagat sir and One Young India, for doing that.